So hello guys, you are welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis, right? Today we would be looking at YEARN Finance, and as you know, we have been expecting a huge impulsive move to the upside, even for YEARN Finance and even all other coins we have been looking at on the channel. And as you can see, it's all green around the board. Green dildos, baby, right? And currently, as you can see, right, YEARN Finance currently ranked at 148. Remember, is the altcoin doctor here, bringing you all the latest analysis, price predictions, and trades on your favorite coin. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and without further ado, let us move to the charts, right? And as you can see right here, I would be in showing you this very good indicator, right, which we call the EMA ribbons. And what the EMA ribbons just try to show us is to try to tell us when a coin or when any cryptocurrency asset is trending, right? And as you can see, we have been in this bearish price action, right? So every single time price was below the EMA ribbons, right, which means we were bearish on the price of that cryptocurrency asset. But as you can see, currently we have just flipped above the EMA ribbons, which means we are very bullish. We are bullish on the price, even on YFI, right? And also, as you can see, every single time we saw this red ribbon above, which means we were in a bear trend. And currently, when we see this flip on the EMA ribbons, as you can see, when the yellow flips and the red comes down and the yellow comes above, which means we are very bullish, right? Remember, we were buying right down from the $5,000 region right down to the all through the downward period. We were saying that we were seeing bottoming structures, and congratulations, if you bought, you should have been up about 16%, right? Because we have been seeing in our MACD, right, since when we saw the MACD cross right down around on the daily, we have been seeing we were very bullish, and as you can see, we have seen a huge push to the upside of about 16%. We're saying that the MACD are showing bottoming structures, and we have a MACD cross on the 4-hourly and on the daily, which means we were very bullish and we should expect higher price targets. And as you can see, we are seeing that push, right? And currently we are up about 16% on all our positions, right? So that's the advantages of following the altcoin doctors. You get to buy the bottom and you get to ride it up. And so next we should be expecting, right, a huge push right down even to this 6,909 level, even for YFI, which is a 12% push to the upside. So that is what we should be expecting next. As you can see, the EMA ribbon has just flipped, right, bullish, which is confirming the trend that we could see a longer trend even for YFI to the upside. So if you like the channel, do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.